In this video, I'll show you how to find draft posts on your Facebook page step by step. If you've saved a post as a draft but haven't published it yet, you can easily return to it and continue editing before sharing it with your audience. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Open Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite, depending on the tools available for your account. Next, go to the Content, Posts, or Planner section, where your published, scheduled, and draft posts are managed. Look for the Drafts tab or filter and tap it to view all of your saved draft posts. Select the draft you want to open, then review and edit the text, photos, videos, or other details as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap Publish to post it immediately, or choose Schedule if you want it to go live at a later date. If you don't see a draft section in the Facebook app, try opening Meta Business Suite, as draft management features are often available there. Keep in mind that the available options may vary depending on your page type, app version, and region. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.